Hi, I'm Drew Taylor with High Resolution Engineering. We supply video system rentals for corporate events, broadcasts, and other live events. In front of me, we have the brand new Videohub 80x80 12G router from Blackmagic. It just started shipping and we received our first one for our rental inventory today. We're going to open it up and check out what's inside. Well, thanks for watching this overly simple unboxing video. As you can see, the only thing that comes in the box is the 80x80 12G router and a small pamphlet. You provide your own power cables, so make sure you have those ready to go. We're going to be testing this router out over the next few days and the next few weeks. We'll have it available as a standalone rental or as part of our Spider X80 rental packages. For more information on everything we have to offer, and see our new 2024 lineup video on our website at highresolution.tv.